Hello viewers, we'll be going over natural gas. In this video we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We remain in slightly negative MACD and we did bounce right off the 150 moving average, this red line, off the price of $2.66. As we extend out to the 4-hour chart, we still remain in positive MACD and we're off of overbought levels with the RSI. We have yet to test the 200 moving average, this green line, as our resistance at the price of $2.75. As we extend out once more onto the daily chart, we still remain in negative MACD, and for now we did reverse higher and we bounced right off the 9-day moving average, this blue line, off the price of $2.63, and that will act as our support, and that coincided with previous support levels that dated back to December 14. For resistance, we do have the 50-day moving average, this yellow line, and that is around a price of $2.83. If we were to test that resistance, that price movement to the upside is roughly around 4.3%, and to test support, that is around 2.6%. As for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading UNG, and my position size for it will be less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry for UNG is at $9.14, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $10.08, and my stop loss is at $8.83. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $10.36, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $9.47, and my stop loss is at $10.66. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 54% chance for it to climb between 0 to 6.3%. To the downside, we have a 38% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 6.3%, and a 7.7% to fall between negative 6.3% to negative 12.5%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.